the Gospel Living app, brought to you by the Scripture Ninja. All right, let's go back to the Gospel Living app. So here, let's choose this one again. And we'll go up to this second button right here. Press it. It says capture your thoughts or create a new goal. Let's go ahead and press capture our thoughts. So what we do on here is create a title and capture some of our thoughts. So I'll create a new title that says, and this is what the article is about, how can you show your love for the Lord? Let's say service. And then press save. And then how to get that back was, if you go to thoughts down here at the bottom and press it, it says service. It says here's the image that we attached to our thought, and it says service, I love to serve. So there's various things that we can do here, which is edit the note that we made, the thought that we made. We can trash it, or we can send it to our circles. Let's go back to thoughts. And let's go back to the Discover tab. Sorry about that. So right here, let's go back to this one right here. And let's export it out. You can either share with circles or share outside of Gospel Living, like in a text message or on Facebook or something. Let's go ahead and cancel.